Welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my pineapple upside down pancakes. Now, this seems to be a very simple concept, but trust and believe me, it is not. So first I'm going to start off by making my Cotton Creations pancake mix batter, and then we'll get into the recipe. I'm actually going to show you what doesn't work and then stay to the end because I'm going to show you what does work. So when I first attempted to do these, I decided to just grease a nonstick pan, put down the pineapples straight out of the can, and then add the cherry, and then of course just pour my pancake batter over top. Now, this actually did not work. So the reason this way or method doesn't work is because there's too much liquid coming from the fruits. So as you'll see in a second when I flip this over, and you probably can see in this shot, the center is not done. And that's because the center needs more time due to the added liquids from the fruits. So this doesn't really work. So then I moved on to wanting to try another way of doing it. And I was like, you know what? Maybe we need to caramelize the pineapple a little bit with some brown sugar. So I put that down first and then added the pineapple to it. But of course, what does sugar turn into when it's heated? You guessed correct. It turns into a liquid. So not only do we have the liquids from the fruits, but we also have the liquids from the sugar, the brown sugar. And of course, brown sugar has molasses in it. So that's also a liquid. So it's just more liquids on top of more liquids. But I was like, you know what? Let me let this cook down some and caramelize before I add the batter. And that's at least what I was thinking at the time. And that way, it wouldn't be as much liquid. And then hopefully the pancake batter would cook evenly, resulting in, a pineapple upside down pancake. But this way was even worse. It actually, the sugar burns pretty quickly. And that's what ended up happening. So I didn't even want to show y'all that. So I moved on to another technique. So this third technique, what I did actually does work. As you can see, the pancake is cooking pretty evenly. And when I flip it over, the center doesn't come apart. So here's what I ended up doing. I ended up taking the pineapple and I had to squeeze out as much of the liquid and juice from it as possible. It's not good enough just to drain the juice from the can, but you actually have to squeeze out as much liquid as you possibly can get out of the pineapple in order for this recipe to work. So I use a paper towel to do just that. And once I got all the liquid squeezed out, I was able to just put the pineapple on my nonstick pan. Well, I greased it first with some cooking spray, added in the cherries. I did not squeeze the juice out of the cherries. I did. I tried to squeeze juice out of the cherries too. And then put the batter on and cook them as normal. And then it works. So sometimes when you see quick little recipes, they're not as simple as what they appear to be. And in this case, this is one that requires a little bit more technique and information in order to do it successfully. But let me know what you guys think of this recipe in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. Till next time, thanks for watching.